G'day, this is Oz ADV Rider out with Andy and Barry again today. We're heading for Staffordshire Reef to look for a mine. I think it's birthday mine we're looking for. We'll probably do some riding around the area and into Enfield. It is supposed to rain this afternoon. At the moment it is looking beautiful. So let's see what the day brings. So we just turned on to Peppermint Track. It's a dry weather track only apparently. Don't have to worry about that today, it is definitely dry. I feel like putting on there dry weather only just makes it a challenge for people. Oh, look at this shit. Just need to back off a bit and try and let that dust settle. Makes it even harder when you can't see the track. Far out, she's dry. Oh, there's a big hill on the other side of this one. Far out, which way do I go? Straight up this left-hand rut, I think. Yeah, we're good. Oh, yep, go, go, go. That's not too bad. Get up to second. We're gonna go in this big rut here. It's getting very loose. My rear Rallz is getting very worn. Little log. Yeah, I think this ends at a creek, which will be very, very dry today, I would imagine. Oh, far out. Let me get over there. One good thing following, it gives you an indication where not to go. Oh, nice. Look at this. Oh, mate. Yeah, Barry and Andy were out here a couple of weeks ago looking for this mine. There's a few spots back there they looked at, but I don't think they found this birthday mine. It might be a bit of a walk to get to it, I think. We shall see. Yeah, just going to have a look at these mines. Just talking to a local guy, all he does for a living is dig up gold. So I think birthday mine was that way, so that's very unstable, don't go in there. But there's one down here that's safe as houses. It goes under the road here.
This is a mine.
Yeah.
One of the mines. According to this, like, we're right next to the bird.
Just come across this skull. I think it's kangaroo. Righto, we'll try again. We went down that way and headed that way. We found lots of cool gullies and stuff, but no mine shafts. Andy's found something down there, I can hear him yelling. Check out the new mascot on the bike. Yeah, here we go, this one. A massive hole there, there's probably an entrance down the bottom if you're going to climb down it.
Heads back towards the road, he goes under.
Oh yeah.
I went about 50, I went quick past the shaft.
Lots of keys.
A bit of a pick. I can see when I followed it, there's like a quartz vein going right through here. Got a little cabin.
It's just cute. Not very deep at all.
Wow. You can actually hook up a rope to one of these posts. Yeah. And
Just sandwiched between the rock and them.
tell you what, those gold miners are a tough lot. Yeah, unfortunately, we're coming to the end. This is as far as they went. I reckon we're under the road now. Probably past it.
Yeah.
It's nice and cool in here. I'm
Yeah.
sweating. Alright, we'll get back out of here now and maybe try it in purple or something. Try the colour mode. Hey, that's pretty cool. Let's grip them back here. Ow.
Yeah.
That keeps smacking my body.
Oh, well, that's disorientating.
Just go in.
Oh, shit.
What happened?
Oh, I just cracked my head. Oh.
You really got to invest
I've done
in
it
like
twice.
cycle helmets or something.
It fucking doesn't. It's very unforgiving.
Yeah. Yeah, climbing up.
Oh, geez, you can.
Oh, there we go. We're up. Yeah, oh, yeah. Yep. Gone up about 10 degrees. Wow. Oh, forgot how hot it was.
But that is it.
Easy to miss though.
Yeah, it's only a little less bug out here.
We just stopped at Baringa for some lunch, heading through Staffordshire Reef, and I think we're going to go down Powerline track. Better pull that down. Oh mate, a bit dusty in here. Whoa. There's the reeds there. Guessing you get a bit of water through here in winter. Oh, there's a deep rut. Give him a bit of a break. Oh shit. Looking too far ahead, I didn't see what was under me. Whoa. Hit that at the wrong angle. Just hold back a bit so I can see the track. Far out. You see his tail light bobbing up and down. Wow. In neutral, in first I mean. Go a lot better. We'll go in the rut. It's nice and wide, I'll clear my pegs, no worries. Yep, we'll cross that over. Up the berm. Hey, look at this. Nice little chicken track. There's the power line. That looks more like a power line track. Righto, I literally don't think there's going to be much more to see from here. I'll sign out now. Been a fantastic day out. That mine we went down was pretty cool. yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time.